previously conducted a feasibility study for the Dubai port but redirected its focus to the QPU deep sea port near the India-built Sitwe port. Myanmar has recently also chosen Russia for the construction of the Dubai deep sea port, a decision that has raised tension with China, which has also shown interest in the developing of the port. The port is located in the country's east coast bordering Thailand. Also, the project was initiated in 2008 as a jointly owned bilateral economic cooperation between the governments of Thailand and Myanmar. Discussions between the Myanmar and Russia regarding the Dubai port project are currently underway as the Myanmar looks to strengthen its relationship with Moscow in order to counterbalance Chinese influence. Proposed plan for the project also entailed the construction of the port with a capacity of 10 million tons and an oil refinery capable of processing 1 lakh barrels per day. However, China is apprehensive that Russia's involvement in Myanmar port sector may undermine its own projects in the QPU and potentially disrupt the global trade dynamics in the region. Seeking to bolster in tie with the Moscow, Myanmar's junta is actively pursuing the Russian investment not only for the port project but also for the special economic zone that includes an oil refinery. China had previously conducted a feasibility study for the Dubai port but has redirected its focus to the QPU deep sea port near the India-built Sitwe port. Strategic importance of Dubai port. The proposed Dubai port located in the Tanturi region of the Myanmar's east coast along the Andaman Sea holds significant strategic importance, serving as the gateway to the greater Mekong sub-region, that is GMCIS countries. Its potential to become a crucial port for the Thailand's counter-attack trade dynamic due to the proximity to the Bangkok. Also, after the completion, Dubai will become one of the Southeast Asia's important ports. It will link countries in the Indian Ocean, the Middle East, Europe and Africa without the need to pass through the Malacca Strait. It will have the capacity to handle over 100 metric tons of cargo and